Very good morning to you all, my dear students. So I hope you remember the topic which we covered up in our previous class. Yes, correct. That was pronouns. And I also wish that you were quite clear with those 6 kinds of pronouns which we covered up in that class. And you still remember those 6 categories. So here today we will be applying that understanding into the book exercises which we are going to cover up in our today's class, right? So let's start up with the book exercises. I expect the correct answers from your side even, right? So let's move on to the exercise number 1, that is exercise A. And the direction for this exercise is underline the personal pronouns, write to which person they belong in the space provided. So here you need to find out the personal pronoun, underline that, and you need to denote that which person it belongs to. I told you those 3 persons of personal pronouns, right? So you need to categorize accordingly. So let's read out these sentences. First one is, she is rich but there is no peace in her life. So here I have underlined the personal pronouns, which is she and her, right? So here you need to denote that to which person it belongs to. It belongs to third person. She and her, as these are the persons about which or about whom we are talking. So then it belongs to third person. Then second sentence is, whom can I trust if not him? So here I even is a personal pronoun, and then him also is a personal pronoun. Here by mistake I have not underlined the pronoun I. You may underline it too, right? So here this personal pronoun I belongs to which person? First person. And then him belongs to which person? Third person, right? So then the third one is, it is my new bag. So here my is personal pronoun, and the person it belongs to is first person because it is the speaker. So now fourth one is, they are playing on the swings in the garden. So here they is the personal pronoun, and which pronoun it is? It is third person personal pronoun. Why? Because it is about them we are talking. We are talking about they are playing. So then about the person we are talking to, so we are talking about, so then that is third person. So then the principal has called you. So here it belongs to second person, the pronoun you, right? Because this is the person whom we are talking to, whom the speaker is talking to. So then sixth one is, we participate in sports. So here we know that it is first person. And then seventh, he was angry with her. Personal pronouns are he and her, and those are of third person. And then eighth one is, I did not understand the motive. So here I is the personal pronoun and it is first person. So then ninth is, she is very studious. So here she is the third person personal pronoun. So then 10th one is he to be blamed for the mess? So here he is the personal pronoun and it is the third person personal pronoun, right? So then the next exercise is, fill up the blanks with the suitable personal pronouns. So here first we have, look at the building, how dash is burning. So now here we need to fill the personal pronoun, how it is burning. So then second one is, dash is riding the bike. So here you may write, fill it either with he or with she, but here he looks even more, he looks better. So here he is riding the bike. So then third one is Prashant is ill. So Prashant, we know that it is a name of a boy. So then we will fill it with he. So he hasn't gone to school. I am thirsty. Can you please get me a glass of water, because the sentence is related to I. So here me. The stone at the dog and he barked at him, right? Ankit likes Riya, but I don't like her, because it is used for Riya. Then next, are you afraid of water? Here you may take any other, even are they afraid of water, right? So then, I want that book. Can you give it to me? Why are you asking for mercy? And then please all of them every day, right? So here next we have C exercise, that is fill up the blanks with the appropriate forms of demonstrative pronouns. So here the first sentence is dash is my video game. So here you are to demonstrate, right? So then what will you use in this case? It is singular, so you will say this is my video game. So here that is Kapoor's bungalow. So then you are demonstrating a thing which is a bit far off. So then this is our classroom. These are the keys lying on the bed. That was incredible. These are her shoes. Can't you see? That is a giant yellow board over there. So it's far off. So then that. So then next one is those were not Sarah's files, right? So then exercise D is given below are some sentences, form questions using the interrogative pronouns. So here the first one is my pencil is red in color. So now here using what you need to make the sentence as a interrogative one. So now here what is the color of my pencil? And then next one is Priyanka is responsible for the fault. So here you need to use the WH word who. Who is responsible for the fault? Next one is Anita's cycle is blue in color. So here what is the color of Anita's cycle? So then these bags are mine. So here you need to make the sentence with WH word whose. So here you will be making it as whose bags are these, right? So these were the 4 sentences. So next we have exercise E, and that is fill in the blank with appropriate reflexive pronouns. So here the sentences are she baked the cookies dash for the party. So you remember that what are the reflexive pronouns which reflects something, and then in that reflexive pronouns what is the scene? The action is done by the subject upon themselves, right? So then here herself would come, because as we talked about, those reflexive pronouns would be taking up self or selves at the end. So then he is completing the project himself. Reema has started walking herself without any support. People parked their car themselves after looking at the sign. The doctor attended his patients himself. The earth is revolving itself around the sun. I have hurt myself. The door of the house closed itself. Nobody was there. A 5-year-old boy made a picture of his mother himself. My parents are looking for my notebooks themselves, because it is in regard to my parents, right? So these were the reflexive pronouns. And then we have exercise F, that is fill in the blanks with appropriate emphatic pronouns given in the bracket against the sentence. We dash ourselves or themselves score many runs. So here you are very clear that you would be using ourselves. They dash are the owners of this property. So here they themselves. So then the next one is she dash bought the puppies from the park. She, for she we would be using herself, not itself. So then the snake dash went inside the hole. The snake itself went inside the hole. So then look, he himself confessed the theft. So here students, did you observe that what is the difference between that reflexive and emphatic? One more difference is there that I wanted to show you, that here, you know, in this reflexive pronouns, let me just show you, moving back here. So here the reflexive pronouns are, you know, used after talking about the action, right? Here the action is talked about first, and then later on this reflexive pronoun is used. So that is why here it's not at all more emphasized that it is done by this person, right? Because look on to the intonation even while I speak up the sentence. She baked the cookies herself for the party. So not much focus is given on herself. So here when we move on to the emphatic pronouns, here this focus is given to the person who is doing the work. That is, we ourselves score many runs. By speaking even, you are putting focus on that, and then you may observe it by listening even. So here the action is talked about later, and this emphatic pronoun is coming exactly after the pronoun, right? Okay, exactly after the personal pronoun those emphatic pronouns come. Okay, so I guess now you are quite more clear with the difference of reflexive and emphatic pronouns. So now let's take up the another sentences of this exercise. That is, Mrs. Chitra dash looked into the matter. So Mrs. Chitra herself, he dash tipped over the stone himself. You are yourself responsible for this mess. The cobbler himself polished the shoes. I myself completed the project. So here was the exercise F. Now let's move on to the exercise G. Is choose the correct possessive pronoun to complete the sentence. So here we have the sentences. He found a beautiful ring. It is not his, right? So then next one is, these pens belong to her. These pens are hers. So here the answer is hers. Is this book its or yours? Yours. This phone is mine. You must work sincerely. The duty is yours. We found this bag of cash. Now it is ours. Abhay had completed his work, so he helped her to finish hers. So this was exercise G. Now we have exercise H. Write the kind of pronoun write the kind of the pronoun of the underlined word belong to. So now you need to tell which kind of pronoun it is, right? So here is the exercise H, which I am giving you in the homework. so that I even may check what have you received from the lesson. Whether have you understood the kinds of pronouns or not, right? So they refer the book for this exercise. So there you would be finding the word underline, the pronouns underline. So kindly write down that which kind of pronoun that is. That would be your test. Please do it sincerely. Thank you.